So here is the question is a bob of 0.2 meter long pendulum so describes an arc of a circle, so an arc on a circle in a vertical plane. So if the tension in the cord is the root 3 times the weight of the bob, so weight of the bob, when the cord makes an angle that is 30 degree to the vertical, so then the acceleration of the bob in the position is, so according to the question you can able to draw the diagram. This is a pendulum, this is a bob is going to be present like this. So here this is going to be slightly, it is going to be lifted according to the vertically, it is going to be at the angle of 30 degree. So theta is going to be 30 degree here. Okay, you can able to understand this, that is theta. I will be writing as theta itself. So in the color, changing the color, right? So here, so what are the things is going to be taken place? This is going to be the tension. So this is going to be tension. This is going to be the mg is going to be taken place here. Mg is the weight of the bob. So here, so this is going to be downwards. This is the mg. So from the straight to this direction, this is the mg cos theta. Cos theta. So this direction where this bob is going to be moved to the equilibrium is going to be mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. This is a force acting on this particles. So this is an important thing you have to understand. So here the tension has been given, that is a root 3 times the weight of the bob. It means root 3 into mg. Root 3 into mg, this is going to be the weight of the bob is going to be mg, root 3 times the weight of the bob, and the length is going to be 0.2. This string length is going to be 0.2. So 0.2 is the length of the uh, string. So from this you can able to understand, they have told that to find the acceleration of the bob in this position. So what are the acceleration? Here there is two acceleration will be taken place. There is one is tangential acceleration and another one is centripetal acceleration. So tangential force and the centripetal force is going to be taken place here. So which is going to be the tangential is in the this is going to be the tangential. So tangential acceleration is going to be this is the tangential force. Actually mg sin theta is going to be tangential force. So from this you can able to see this is the centripetal acceleration is going to be t minus there is t minus mg cos theta. Mg cos theta is equal to ma. This is going to be the centripetal force acting on this bob is going to be centripetal force. So this is centripetal force. From the centripetal force you can able to find the centripetal acceleration, and this is going to be the tangential force actually. So tangential, from the tangential force you can able to find the tangential acceleration. So from this acceleration, both the acceleration you can able to find the net acceleration is going to be acting on this that bob. Okay, this is tension. Tension is said to be, that is tension is given that this is root 3 mg minus mg cos theta. So here theta is given as that is 30 degree, right? So you can able to see this mouse point. You can able to see this mouse point, that is 30 degree is given in the question. So cos 30 degree is going to be root 3 yes, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to ma. This is force, centripetal force acting on the body. So from this you can able to cancel this m commonly outside. So m is going to be cancelled out here. So root 3 g minus root 3 by 2. So here the remaining is root 3 g minus root 3 by 2 g. So from this you can able to take this root 3g minus root 3g by 2. This is going to be equal to the centripetal acceleration. So this value is going to be, so root 3g minus root 3 by 2g is going to be root 3 2 times root 3g and minus root 3g by 2 is going to be centripetal acceleration. So from this you can able to understand root 3 by 2g is going to be the centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is equal to root 3 g by 2 is going to be centripetal acceleration, and tangential acceleration is going to be this is tangential force. So it is a m a of tangential acceleration is equal to mg sin theta. So you can able to cancel this mass. Then this is tangential acceleration is equal to g sine theta. So g, what is the sine theta? Theta is here is 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Then this is g into 1 by 2, that is tangential and centripetal acceleration. After we have the net acceleration acting on this body is going to be root of the tangential square of the tangential acceleration plus the square of the centripetal acceleration. So from this formula, for the we have to substitute these two values in this value. So here we have found that the tangential acceleration is g by 2. So g by 2 whole square, g by 2 whole square plus the centripetal is going to be centripetal is root 3 pi by 2g, root 3 by 2g whole square. So from this you can able to calculate this value. That is the net acceleration is equal to the root of g square by 4, g square by 4, yes, plus 3 by 3g square by 4. From this you can able to write that is 4g square by 4, 4g square by 4, and here the whole root is going to present. This 4 get cancelled, root of g square. So this square and the root is going to cancel. The centripetal acceleration, sorry, the net acceleration acting on the body is g. So the option is the fourth option is the correct answer for this question.